Hey guys, my niece was sent something from me. Y'all check out what she got. Oh yeah.
Okay, so I just received this package from my auntie Shola, PromoSTK, in good neighborhood. So I did start cutting the box to try to like kind of get in it, you know. So, okay. She says to cut it gently. So, it's just wrapped up really, really well. Okay, here we go. Okay, so she sent me, she sent me some potato toppings, what she used in her, one of her videos, and I said that I wanted some. Oh yeah, and the one that she said gently, because these are at the top, kind of snagged a tad bit, but you know, still intact. What else? So we got bacon and chive, roasted potato seasoning. Okay. Not sure what the other flavor is. It's just, oh, it's original. Okay, original. And this one, not sure which flavor this one is. Okay, so 3 different flavorings of vegetables and fruits ones, and this one is the roasted potatoes, and then we have the original. So 3 different flavorings. Thank you for my baked potatoes and mashed potatoes. And I don't think this video of hers posted yet, but I guess I can talk about it because she sent it to me. Cookies. She made some really, really big cookies, and I really, really wanted one, so I'm so excited. So let me just get in. So I got 2. They smell so good. So fresh. Well, she just made them the other day, and she overnighted them to me. So, oh my gosh, look how just soft that. Oh, wow. I'm gonna go clean my hands really quickly. Sorry, y'all, I'm back. Because I'm about to taste this. This smells like real good too. Y'all, you can smell it through the plastic. Really, you really can smell it. It's really fresh. Look at this, y'all. Ooh, it is so soft. Look at this. Just look at this. Oh my goodness. When I FaceTimed her the other day, and look at, and she showed me these and she made. I was like, oh my gosh, I want me some of those. And I asked her for the recipe, and she actually sent me some. So, y'all, this is so soft. It's so good. Not even playing. Thank you again. Love you.